My name is Emily, and I represent DeTectUs, the SensUs team from the Technical University of Denmark. We're the ones with the national anthem printed on our PCB here. You can come see it afterwards if you want. We can also sing it for you if that's necessary. So this year, we visited the University Hospital of Denmark, Copenhagen, and as a part of our field study. And we realized just how busy the staff at hospitals are. And we were wondering, what if we could make a device that could make their lives just a little bit easier? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we already have. You're welcome. With this little device, I don't have enough hands, sorry. This little sensor here efficiently cuts down the waiting time that each doctor has to spend on each patient from hours and hours to mere minutes, because waiting time is a waste of time, especially in hospitals. And so, the technology behind it is simple. You put a drop of blood plasma here and connect this part to an electrical measuring device, and within a few minutes it gives you the exact concentration of vancomycin in the blood plasma. But this isn't even everything. Oh, sorry. Yeah. With this sensor, we contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 3 by good health and well-being, because we ensure safer treatment for each patient faster, because by decreasing the waiting time, we increase patient safety. And this isn't even everything, because we also contribute to the Sustainable Development Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. In the future, we imagine at least, because we see a future where we can use this device in a lot of other applications as well. We see an application in the farming industry, for example, where we can ensure that resistant bacteria won't spread among species, for example between pigs and cows, due to the antibiotics that is in their food. And by doing this, we also hope to reduce the aforementioned workload in the hospitals, because people will not get ill from the resistant bacteria. So antibiotics resistance is very real, as you can tell. And it sounds overly dramatic, but it is the truth. It's a matter of life and death, and this sensor can save lives. Thank you. Questions? Yes?
Sorry, we'll hand over the microphone because, or you can also
just
repeat a question.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, great. Thank you.
Yes.
What are the main challenges you have faced?
The main challenges. In which category? We have many challenges. I'm a part of the management team of the group, and the challenges that we're facing is a need for more market insight, more contact, more direct contact to the hospitals. We did interview a senior physician at the hospital in Denmark, but we would probably need to do more field studies, more research in that point, and also have obviously exact actual contracts with hospitals to actually ensure that they will use our device. And then of course manufacture the biosensor itself. Do you want more the technical?
So can I get the question again? What are the challenges for the technical aspects? Well, we are currently optimizing our chip in many different aspects. So we're making the binding assay on the surface of the chip even more precise, so we can detect vancomycin concentration with a lower margin. And there's a lot of optimization steps during different processes. And the more we can incorporate on the chip, the easier it's going to be used for the hospital sector. Yeah.
Other questions? How much time do we have left? We can still sing the national anthem.
If there are not any questions from the public, maybe I have a question, because
Yeah.
we just got the question for the other team. If you're going to continue with your project after this competition, and actually I'm really curious if you're doing that as well.
Good question. So whether or not we're going to continue with the project, and yes, we are. We have a patent filed, pending so far, and we hope to continue to develop a startup company during this fall in the next year or so.
With the same team?
With the same team, more or less, depending on how many people actually have time in the end. But we will see when we get like actual consistent results with the sensor. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So we're actually like up before schedule, so I didn't think that was possible, but I would like to invite the USA. I'm going to get the next team. You're ready? Yeah? If we're a little bit early, but if you're ready, we can start. That's okay?
Yeah, I mean, I would like to wait because like my mom might be tuning in, so I want to wait till like
Okay.
it starts.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, it's probably, I think it's in 2 minutes or something. So
Yeah.
yeah. No, of course.
Dame, het is goed als je het voorloopt, want dan kunnen wij alle pitches goed opnemen.
Oké, maar zij wil wel even precies tot 12 wachten, omdat haar moeder dan
Online kijkt.
online kijkt. Ja.
Oké. Ja, dan moet ik films inqueuen nu. Top.
Oh ja, sorry. Okay, so we're just waiting a few minutes to get on schedule because all the parents and family are also watching online in America, which is actually really cool. And I hope you already voted via SensUs Digital, or if you did not, please do so. Because I think it's up to 3 o'clock that the votes can maybe, you know that, yeah. So you can